Hey, how are you?
I'm very tired. That sounds a bit weird. Try this instead. I'm exhausted. I'm drained. I'm wiped out.
You look really tired today.
Yeah, I'm exhausted. Didn't get much sleep last night.
Same, I'm totally drained.
That sounds way more natural. I'm very tired isn't wrong, it just sounds basic. You can also say, I'm beat. I'm worn out. These are super common in real life.
Wanna go out tonight?
I'd love to, but I'm wiped out.
Long day?
Yeah, I'm completely worn out. Next time, say it like a native.
Oh, how are you?
I'm exhausted.